I have an exciting update for my Understanding and Mastering BGP course. The course now includes EVE-NG UNL files, and I'm offering a special EVE-NG discount just for you. When I first created the course, I already included a full set of Cisco CML lab files, so students could practice the concepts hands-on using Cisco Modeling Labs. But I know that many network engineers and students also use EVE-NG for their labs. So now EVE-NG lab files have been added to the course as well. I want to especially thank Irfan Gill for his effort in making this possible. He has taken it upon himself to create these UNL files, and it's much appreciated. You can find a link to his LinkedIn page in the description below. As a result, now you can follow the BGP labs using either Cisco CML or EVE-NG, depending on the platform you prefer. If you've already purchased the course, you already have access to these files. Now, this is important because BGP is not something you truly master just by watching videos or memorizing commands. You need to build the topologies, configure the routers, break things, troubleshoot, verify routes, inspect BGP tables, and understand why BGP behaves the way it does. And that's exactly what this course is designed to help you do. The course includes detailed lessons, PDF summaries, hands-on labs, quizzes, a final assessment, and now both CML and EVE-NG lab files to make the learning experience even more flexible. And to celebrate this update, I'm offering a limited time discount on the course. The discount will be available until the end of June 2026. So if you've been thinking about improving your BGP skills, preparing for a networking role, strengthening your CCNP-level understanding, or simply moving from memorizing BGP to truly understanding BGP, this is a great time to join. You'll find the discount code and the link to the course in the description below. Now here's a little reminder of what the full course includes. Hello, this is Lazarus at telecomTech, and welcome to the Understanding and Mastering BGP course. In this course, we're going to take a hands-on, deep dive into BGP, simply explained. Now, what's different about this BGP course from others? Well, as its name suggests, the first major goal of this course is understanding BGP. Now, understanding is absolutely key. It's not enough to just memorize configurations or copy commands. What truly matters is answering the why behind what BGP does and how it makes routing decisions. Now, once understanding is established, the next step is mastering BGP. Now, mastery means that you don't just configure the protocol, but you begin to intuitively predict how it will behave in different scenarios. And this intuition doesn't come from theory alone. It comes from hands-on labbing and real observation. Now, by the end of this course, my goal is that you will have a deep understanding of the fundamental operation of BGP and the confidence to anticipate its behavior in real network environments. Now, this is achieved through various elements, including my innovative teaching style, where I do my best to teach and train in a way that I wish I had been taught when I was learning. Secondly, in many of my lab videos, I have kept some of the mistakes and misconfigurations that I had done, and I show how I discover them, how I troubleshoot them, and how I finally find a solution for them. That way you can see in real time how troubleshooting takes place. All mistakes are documented well and clearly indicated so you won't get confused. And third, because I know that English is not the first language of everyone, I have included subtitles in French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, and Arabic, with the possibility of adding more in the future, if enough people ask for them. Now let's talk a little bit more about BGP and why this course is so important for your network engineering journey. Now, as you will learn, BGP has been around for decades, and it's expected to remain a core protocol of the internet for decades to come. That means that what you learn here is truly future-proof for your studies, for your certifications, and for your career as a networking engineer. Now, BGP is an elegantly designed protocol. It is highly modular, highly scalable, and extremely flexible, which is exactly what makes it so powerful and effective in real-world environments. And this is the phenomenal protocol that you will learn about in this course. And if I sound excited, it's because I truly am, because I believe BGP is one of the most interesting and intellectually rewarding topics in networking. And with that in mind, let me walk you through how this course is structured. The course consists of 5 main units, each carefully designed to move you from foundational understanding to true mastery. We begin with Unit 1, BGP Fundamentals. This is our meet and greet with the protocol. Here we introduce BGP, explain what it does, and most importantly, why it exists. Before touching on configuration, our focus will be on conceptual clarity. And our goal in this unit is to understand what the protocol is, why BGP is necessary, and the fundamental operational model of that protocol. Next, we look at fundamental configurations and basic BGP operation. This is where we begin working hands-on with BGP and understanding how it is actually deployed in real networks. We will build working BGP topologies and observe routing behavior step by step. Our goal here is to confidently deploy, verify, and troubleshoot basic BGP in lab environments. Topics here include eBGP, iBGP, the BGP table, advertising networks, the iBGP full mesh requirement, and the next hop IP attribute. In Unit 3, Internal Operations of BGP, we go deeper into how BGP truly functions behind the scenes. We will examine things like the finite state machine, BGP adjacencies, messages, autonomous system numbers, and multi-protocol BGP, to name a few. We'll dig deeper into the internal processes and decision flow of the protocol. Now, this unit is especially valuable for certification exams and technical interviews because it strengthens your protocol level understanding. Our goal here is to understand BGP not just as far as its configuration goes, but as a living protocol with a defined internal logic. Next, we arrive at one of the most important parts of this course, the BGP attributes and the best path algorithm. Now, this is the core mastery unit. Here we focus on the heart of BGP, how it selects the best path. You will learn how attributes influence routing decisions and how to fully explain and predict BGP behavior. Here you'll understand how BGP routes based on a whole series of policies rather than just a single simple metric. Our goal here is for you to confidently analyze and anticipate best path decisions, which is a huge professional skill for any network engineer. And finally, in the last unit, we explore scaling, policy routing, and advanced BGP features. Here we'll examine additional capabilities of the protocol and see how they are applied in real-world environments. We will observe advanced features in action and understand their design implications. We'll take a look at things like BGP communities, route reflectors, confederations, peer groups, multipath, additional paths, AS manipulation techniques including allow AS in and AS override, and we'll also examine the operation of route refresh and soft reconfiguration. At the end, we'll also commit one whole video lesson to reviewing prefix origin AS validation for BGP using RPKI. And this is a very important security framework that talks about how the BGP protocol is protected from potential threats. So the focus of this particular unit is enterprise and service provider design, helping you to conceptually transition from labbing BGP to real-world scalable BGP design. Now, each video lesson in the course is accompanied by supplementary resources. First of all, you'll be able to download a dedicated PDF for each lesson that includes key concepts covered in the lesson, additional explanations, external reference links, and study and reflection questions to deepen your understanding. For lab-based lessons, which make up the majority of the course, I also provide ready-to-use topologies as YAML files for Cisco CML. This gives you a lot of flexibility because you can either build the topologies from scratch for maximum practice, or you can use the provided YAML files to save time on repetitive configurations and focus specifically on BGP concepts. And where appropriate, I also include a completed lab YAML file so that you can explore and verify the final topology after the BGP configurations have been implemented. Now, after each unit, you will have the opportunity to take a quiz that tests your knowledge up to that point. This allows you to evaluate what you truly understand and identify areas where you need deeper study. And at the very end of the course, you can take the final exam, which covers all the course content. And upon successful completion of that exam, you will be able to download your own personalized certificate of completion. Now, who is this course ideal for? Well, the course is ideal for networking students that are preparing for various industry certifications, for network engineers who want to deepen conceptual understanding of BGP, for professionals that are working in enterprise or service provider environments, and for anyone who wants to move beyond simple memorization to truly understand how BGP behaves and to be able to master the protocol fully. Now, by the end of this course, you should be able to clearly explain how BGP works conceptually. You should be able to configure and troubleshoot BGP in lab environments. You should be able to understand the internal operation of the protocol. You should be able to predict best path decisions with confidence. And finally, you should be able to apply BGP knowledge to real-world network design scenarios. Well, I truly look forward to getting started on this course with you as we embark on this unique and intriguing journey of understanding and mastering the BGP protocol together. I'm Lazarus at telecomTech, where telecom and networking technologies are simply explained. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you inside the course.